got a plan? Don't die?
If you suddenly hear me hissing, nope, that's Dylan. I don't want to shoot Dylan.
Is it 50-50?
No, you just have to capture the whole building.
Oh, yeah. Get that light on.
Is that us? I got him.
You got him?
I don't know if it's us or them.
Where?
He was the next one up, so I got him with one shot, surprisingly. Yeah, we got a couple down there.
Targets?
No, we control the hall.
Yep.
Yeah.
I got a couple of them down there.
No, we control the hall.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Shit, did I shoot our own?
Hey, I don't think
Do you
we
see
control
orange or
the hall
green?
anymore.
These are friendlies. We have
Okay.
two people walking back there from me. I think we're getting hit on this doorway on the
Yeah, absolutely.
Are you hit?
Coming from across. I love getting ricochets right in the fucking balls.
Just don't get caught in the window.
Maybe.
No, just run.
Oh, fuck that one right in the tip. Ow.
Can we try to get him?
Whew.
No better, so if I don't see any action,
Damn it. I thought I nailed that guy. Having fun with your lever action?
I am. It's so enjoyable. I love this thing.
Okay, so we got the ghillie there.
Love that. Hello, right?
Hello.
You might want to get there a little more than that. Oh, left side of the tower.
Well, I don't want to respawn it. You want to go up and dust it? Oh, it's fine.
Jesus.
Supposedly somebody's coming this way. Stay. You can go by if you want.
Fuck. Damn it.
Watch out. Y'all push up. Y'all push up quick. Hurry. Watch right there. Yeah, what's up?
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll look down this hall. I don't think we have friendlies down the hall.
I know the outside is safe.
The outside is safe.
Okay. Then this hallway's not safe.
Oh, fuck me. Hey, do you have a spare battery?
Not on me. Wow, I got lucky on that one. Man, I should have been using 3-0s months ago. Oh. Oh. Lucky shot.
Like a 10-minute hike, I got 2 people, and then I just got bopped. We went all the way out to the swamp over there and just walked. Took us forever, but we got all like completely behind them. You wanna do it?
Yeah, see how far out it really needs to be gone.
It's pretty far. Took us a while. Are we getting on them?
Not sure. I mean, they're right there, so.
Oh, that's them?
Yeah, up ahead.
Oh.
It's like you got our guys that are right at that.
Okay, he's already out, but I know there's another one.
Yeah, I'm gonna go right there. Yeah, oh, damn it. Right in the belt buckle.
Fuck.
Have fun.
You wanna take a hike?
Not really. I'm saving myself for the intimate stuff.
Take a hike that way, come on. Holy fuck! thing, bro. Do your thing. That's holy fuck. Just listen to it. Imagine getting hit by that.
I mean, you can't physically even see it. It's moving that fast.
Yeah, exactly. He was right next to my ear when he did it. That was horribly loud.
That's why I wear those.
I need those.
Best investment.
Feel my ear ringing a little bit.
$200. Well
They're
spent.
right on the other side, right?
Ah,
Oh, I got it. Watch out, my safety. Fuck. How did I get him? Oh my god. I'm the luckiest person ever. Jeez.
damn allergies.
I was gonna say you smoke it?
Nope.
Holy fuck. You hear that?
Oh, not really, because my stuff cuts out. My earbuds cut off at 80 decibels.
Oh my god.
So
That thing's like 1,000 thunder beats just going off. No, that fucking thing.
Stupid loud.
His was right next to my ear the first time. My ear is still ringing.
When you're in a building with them.
Oh god, no. I don't want to. That thing's loud too.
you know, my my hearing protection cut off for the two of them together. It's loud enough that it cuts both off.
Holy shit.
Fogging up.
One moment.
What the fuck? Oh, you got a guy running the woods over there. Right. Oh, I need him again.
I need a drum, bro. Fuck these high caps. This sucks. Dude, they've been saying they're gonna get AK drums in the shop for like 3 whole weeks, and they just don't have them.
Shot's kind of unreliable.
Yeah, you think?
That's why I don't rely on them. Part of why I went broke was buying everything from all across the damn country.
Yeah. It's better than getting it from the shop.
Okay.
I'm like, nobody has this one around here. Well, one place does. One place has it. For this map, I use the most ammo, yet accomplish the least.
Yeah, you use all your mags and you get nobody because it's fucking. You just end up hitting bushes and shit.
Well, I mean, I got the perfect spot right down the doorway. So I'm like, if I accomplish nothing else, I'm at least keeping them out of the doorway.
Yeah. Want to throw a smoke to get some cover over there? Oh, that'd be sweet if you threw out a smoke.
Don't put that in my...
Done.
Everybody's got the tiny ones.
Oh yeah. I hear a tree. Oh shit. It's right here. Hey, that still works though.
It's still good as cover.
It's over there.
Damn, this map blows.
You know, I got the biggest one that they let the general public
You
have.
think you got a better angle on that way with it?
Oh, he's a pro with the nades.
Well, where are you thinking to put it? Over here or over here?
I'm thinking like here, straight ahead.
All right.
Just give us a little bit of cover.
Probably
Maybe get to this pool.
Because as soon as this kid peeked out, I want to breathe it in. I want to breathe it in.
Oh crap! Right in the fucking bush. And there's no fucking wind now. If I start
It looks so cool though.
if I start a fire, I'm gonna die laughing. Oh, now it's drifting.
Should we try to run through it?
Well, it's covered up pretty well. I think I wasted like 30 bucks on the big one. Oh shit! I got shot through the wall.
You want to take a hike?
Not really. I hate going on the deep shit, especially here. My way, I'm gonna back this way.
Okay, we're good. Nah, I was thinking we go all the way in.
I'm not going deep.
Come on. You know you want to.
Something just moved back there. Oh, that's us. One of our guys is there, but I saw someone else move that way.
Let's go investigate it. Come on. I think now is the appropriate time to take a trip into the bushes.
Have fun.
I don't want to do it alone.
I'm not going back there and
Come on, you gotta
once
go
everything
with me.
blooms, I don't go in the woods.
It's far as fuck. I'm not hitting that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I don't think any of us are hitting that.
Well, we have some HPA guys who can definitely hit that far.
Hey, HPA guy, I think you can get them. You might have range for this.
There's like 4 people on the other end.
You got 4 people super fucking far.
I see him.
Yeah, I think you could get them.
Okay. No, you're good, dude.
If you get some, that would be insane.
Oh, he's just barely on range.
See you guys.
Oh, there went the kilted ghillie. I mean, you had the one guy last week, he was wearing a kilt and sandals. Like, and he was like, if I didn't have to worry about screws, I'd do this barefoot. I'm like, you are a ballsy guy.
That's fucking hilarious. I killed.
That might have been a tag-in.
That was at the building. Oh shit, everyone's moving it. Oh shit.
I hate moving in this map.
Not friendly? That doesn't look like a friendly. That's
One of those days.
Oh, everybody from the building is dead.
Uh-oh. Not tall enough.
I'm standing on my tippy toes.
Yeah, and you're still shooting back this way.
No, I'm not. What are you talking about?
Well, one ricocheted off the fence.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Way too cheap.
You need to reload.
Not there yet.
Now you do.
You know.
You guys want to do something fun with me?
What is it?
We're going to go around this one. We're going to run into their spawn and we're going to get killed. We are going to die. It's 100%. But we're going to make them very, very angry doing it.
That does sound fun. I've been trying to get Ryan over here to come with me.
Yeah,
Come on.
I don't go in the
We got
woods.
another guy. Come on.
I don't go in the woods during the summer.
Move those legs. Alright,
I'll come with you.
on the count of 3. Come on,
Have fun. Have
Come
fun.
with. Can you stop your foot? Ready? Dude, that was so fun.
I save my energy for when everyone else is exhausted. And that's why I don't do that.
Fucking hurt. Hey, is this your mask?
Hmm?
Mask?
Nope, I'm wearing my mask.
No. That was fun. We just ran in completely over there.
Good shit, guys. Boom. Somebody wants.
You need.
What is that? Stupid homemade.
Oh, the stress ball. It's reinflating.
Oh, that's a deep spot. Man, you can walk a bit slower.
Oh, did you grab my mag? Oh, thank you, man.
Since I didn't know how long it was going to take for you to get to either die or walk back through, I picked it up at when I walked back.
Dude, there was like, thank you, man, I appreciate it. There was like 8 of us stacked up on one little fence.
Yep.
And we're just like taking babies like crazy. Everyone was freaking out, screaming. It's horrifying. That was for like 10 minutes straight. So I wasn't able to run and grab it.
Yeah, that's why I picked it. I'm like, I don't know how long you're gonna be sitting there.